So yeah, it was something that you put a little bit of money away over the summer as you were working there, and then as you once you hear you're not going to have a job, whatever 3-4 months in, what do you start doing? What's your first thing when they tell you,
Well,
hey, there's a
there was
downside?
no 2 weeks or anything, so it was
It's
unemployed
just
that
done.
moment.
It was like done.
So it wasn't. There was no warning because I wasn't the only person. There was a couple of people from the portfolio companies and whatnot who were like, but essentially, what I did from there was I did call everybody in South Florida who worked in finance. So like
How'd you get that list?
that was actually a Wall Street Oasis list, I believe. It was forwarded to me from somebody else. Maybe it wasn't Wall Street Oasis, but it was a list from provider. And
Oh, I know. There's a thread called like summer internships by region or something. It's a crazy
yeah,
long
it,
thread, and they have different regions. So like Florida was probably one of them, or like Boca Raton, or like
it
something.
was
Yeah.
it was. And so I tried reaching out. LinkedIn. I went on Google Maps and like searched like investments Fort Lauderdale, like because like people don't list stuff the same way down here, and so like you look on the map and see like, oh, like here's this firm that didn't show, and so call them. But it turns out, like you can do a lot of the networking, but speaking to people multiple times or having a close relationship with someone, I think is far more important.